What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have created this function but we have not put it the surname here.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Now if you want to put surname here, what we can do is give a space, then first of all I will change this variable name, not name. It put his name. Here we put surname. Then let's see what will happen now. X y equals to input enter your surname. Now we'll try to pass this parameter here y. Let's see what will be the output for this. Hope it will run fine. Yeah, right now Lakshit, my surname. Hello Lakshit Kanwal, how are you? I am fine. So this is all for this tutorial. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.